Hey everybody, welcome back. Do a little something quick and easy. So Robin had said she wanted a sink in the bathroom. There it is. Tiny sink, 4x7. Or wait a minute. 7 by 14. Bought a handle, just put it on there. It's not tight, it's just sitting on there. I got the drain, getting ready to just put that in. You can see I ran water lines already. The reason I did that was because it's very tight, and underneath through the floor there was just a small room, and I had a lot of problems getting to that one room, because other than that it would have been right through a main brace. So I did it, but the reason for it was you can sit on the toilet, still be able to use the Port John, still have leg room. Put it over there, it's solid, don't move, and it doesn't interrupt your shower. Because at first I was like, well, why do we need that in there? If you gotta wash your hands, do it in the shower, or you go out to the kitchen sink. Her deal was, I don't want to have to brush my teeth at the kitchen sink while I'm trying to do something. So I agreed, and I said, okay, I put it in.
Okay, let's be clear. It's not because of brushing your teeth. It's because of using the bathroom and coming out to where I might be cooking dinner and washing your hands in the kitchen sink. That's the reason. I don't want you to wash your hands while I'm cooking dinner in the kitchen sink.
But what I'm going to do, the drain is actually going to drain in the shower pan. I'm not putting a whole different drain system in. First of all, there's no room to put it there because of where it's located. This will work. I'm going to enclose it except for the bottom. So real quickly, let's put the drain in and tighten the faucet down. You can do it that way. Put your back up in there. Put the rubber gasket on. Get it up in there. Pretty much what I've done. I made side panel, front panel, side panel. Just put it over there. The drain off of the sink is down here. It's gonna come out right here. I'm trying to get that over, but I'm putting another corner trim here. It's gonna go down. And then I'm just gonna have to go through, seal and paint it. I had to do like this under here. I had to do the opening here because the drain stuck out too far. I was trying to make this as minimal as possible. Okay, let's try now. Much better. In place. Boom. I can live with that. So, live with that. Now, see it anyways. Or I might have to. Okay, so why? So we'll paint it and we'll seal it. Here's the drain. Turn some light on. So when I pour the water in here, right out the drain hole. Just how we need it to work. So that was pretty. That was pretty. So we got paint, seal. Actually, we'll seal first, then we'll paint. But that's what she wanted. That's what she's getting. Oh, that I can wait till later, but that's what's getting done now. Anyways, sealed, top, bottom, around the side. Went over along the wall, put it clear down at the bottom, clear along the wall over here. Painted, sealed up. Now I just gotta let it dry.
Okay, as I'm editing this, I realize that many of you might be thinking that water is going to get on your feet when you're washing your hands, but we bought one of these. It goes in the shower and it's lifted maybe like a half an inch, so the water will run under that, so your feet will stay dry while you're washing your hands.
But that's a cool little sink. 7x14. Way more than I wanted to put in here, but it was way something somebody else wanted in here. So I obliged, put it in. That way you can brush your teeth in here and not have to worry about going to cook. Now if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you on the next one.